Voyager, embarking on a historic journey.
In 1977, NASA launched two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, on a mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Their primary goal was to study Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune up close. The Voyagers exceeded all expectations, sending back invaluable photos and data, and continuing to travel outward, becoming the first human-made objects to enter interstellar space.
The legendary golden records.
Each Voyager spacecraft carries a golden record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc. These records hold sounds and images chosen to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The idea, if an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization ever finds Voyager, they could learn about humanity, our planet, and the music and languages that define us.
What's inside the golden record?
The golden record features greetings in 55 languages, natural sounds like thunder, animals, and the ocean, and a selection of music from around the world, including Bach, Beethoven, and Chuck Berry. There are also 116 photos showing landscapes, animals, and aspects of human life. Every detail was carefully chosen to represent the essence of humanity.
Voyager's scientific achievements.
Voyager revolutionized our understanding of the outer planets. It discovered volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, detailed new rings and moons around Saturn and Uranus, and helped reveal Neptune's dark spots. Its instruments continue to send back information about cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and the conditions at the edge of our solar system.
A message carried across the cosmos.
Voyager's journey is far from over. Now traveling billions of miles from Earth, each spacecraft drifts through the darkness of interstellar space, carrying its golden record as a time capsule for anyone or anything that may one day find it. The Voyager missions embody humanity's hope, curiosity, and desire to reach out to the cosmos.